Now he is going to speak few lines, few words about that on which topic you would like to speak.
Cyber security.
Cyber security. Clapping for him.
So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Very warm good morning. Say good morning.
Myself Varun Dixit, and I am here to tell you something about cyber security. But before that, I would like to say thanks to my teacher who has given me a golden opportunity to speak before you. So, I am now starting my topic by the definition of the cyber security. So, for your better understanding, I have divided my topic into various types like cause, effect, and what we should have to do to reduce the cyber crimes. So firstly, discussing about the cyber security. So cyber security is the security of the software as well as the information or data which is being kept in our computer as well as in our phone also. So firstly, talking about the cause, the why we have facing that too much cause as well as the case of the cyber securities. So firstly, according to me, in my opinion, the first cause is that increasing in the digitalization as well as the modernization of the society. As we are talking about the today's scenario, India as well as the whole the world are not being aware about the AI, like AI Mota as well as the Chat GPT. Some of the people are aware about that, but they use them as their own profit, not for the society. So, according to me, this is also one of the best example of the reflection of the cyber security which is being needed in our society. And second one is that the using of the multiple resources, like if we are searching on the web, we have that the site have inside the sites, which is also called as the layer security, which is being used by the cyber security crimes or the cyber criminals to grab their investments as well as grab their opportunity to earn more and more monies. And for me, it is also being a very good if we are doing it in a proper way. So according to me, if we want to be a very safe and secure, firstly we have to do some awareness as well as campaign in our society to make them aware about the new technologies as well as the what we have to do if someone is calling you. As we are talking about the many of the cases, like the famous actress Rashmika Mandana is also being fraud by the AI, as well as the many of the millionaire as well as the bank employees as well as the bank manager also being fraud by the cyber crime by the phishing method, like the people call you and say that we are the relative of yours and we have to just transfer our money to you, and then after you will transfer to us. If they do that, then they will give all the form of your information as well as the personal details. And also according to me, the prevention is also being done that we have used the bitcoins, like the bitcoin has their own record as well as the own numbers that nobody is able to reuse that, and we just only we can use that. As well as we can also use like the apps, like delivery apps as well as the shopping apps is also a major hub of the crime of the cybers. So that for that we can use the apps like from the Play Store, which is very verified as well as the protected to us, and also having a major type of the security levels that the criminal not be able to get the information about you. So at last I would like to say that if we want to be a developed as well as a superpower in our world, that firstly we have to play a very important role in our education sector as well as the awareness of the peoples according to the technology which we use as well as the things we are using in our future also. Thank you for listening me.
Very good. Clap
Have a nice day.